Welcome to another phonics lesson. Today we are going to explore the digraph WH, review our sight words, play, listen, tap, and write, continuous sentence writing, focusing on our finger spaces, and your exit ticket is all about those things. Your teacher might pause the video now or later for you to get something to write on and something to write with. This week we've been digraph is when two consonants, also known as letters, combined or put together to form one sound. We've learned about SH, it makes the sh sound. CH, it makes the ch sound. TH, that makes the th sound. And today we're going to focus on WH. Next week we'll look at CK. WH makes the W sound. It sounds very similar to the letter W sound. The letter W is part of this digraph. WH, whistle, with, whistle, with. Some other words that we'll hear, what, whale, 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 wheat, and whisk. Probably wondering, Miss Barkley-Anderson, how do I know the difference to use just a W and use the digraph WH? Because the sound is super similar. When we're hearing just the W, you're going to hear just w, w, w. And when you hear WH, you're going to hear the w, 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 like whistle, instead of was, whistle. Look at how my lips change. Was is just W, whistle, whistle. Notice how my lips go into a smile, whistle. So when you say the word back to yourself and you find yourself smiling, whistle, it's going to be a WH. If your lips just stay like this, was, then you're just using W. So now it's your turn. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to come up with some more words that begin with WH. So many more words that have WH. We'll explore some more digraphs next week. You guys were great digraph detectives. Repeat after me. It's, I-T-S. It's. Try putting the word it's into a sentence. It's the dog's bone. Next word, him. Repeat after me. Him. H-I-M. Him. Try putting the word him into a sentence. I will give him a pencil. Him. Next word, got. Repeat after me. Got. G-O-T. Got. Try putting the word got into a sentence. I got a bag of candy. Got. Last word, into. Repeat after me. Into. I-N-T-O. Into. Try putting the word into in a sentence. I go into the store. On and something to write with, as it's listen, tap, and write time. I'm going to say a word. Your teacher is going to pause the video. You're going to tap the word out and then write it down. Your first word is fib. Let's tap it out. Fib. Fib. One more time. Fib. 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 Let's see how you spelled it. Fib. 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 Next word. Whip. 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 Tap it out. Whip. 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 Let's see how you spelled it. I heard the whip, so I spelled it with WH. Whip. Whip. Great word. Last word for today is lab. Lab. Let's tap it out. L-A-B. Lab. L-A-B. Lab. Let's see how you spelled it. L-A-B. Lab. Great job today. New sentences we need to put finger spaces in today. Again, as we rewrite, remember, rewrite means we're going to copy the sentence, the words that we see, again, whether it's on a line or a blank piece of paper. And make sure when we're rewriting, we start with a capital, an uppercase letter, put spaces in between the words, and use the punctuation. All right, I'm going to start by saying that this sentence needs to say, I go into the home. Those are my words in the sentence. Right now, there's no spaces, so we have to read this sentence like this. I go to the home. I go into the home. I go into the home. There are no pauses, no spaces, no pauses. Let's make this sentence so we can pause and breathe in between the words. I'm going to start with my capital, which is the word I. Because I'm rewriting, I'm copying every word I see in the sentence. I go, 2 words means I need a finger space. I go into, those are 2 words. Into, so I need a finger space. I go into the. Into and the are 2 separate words, which means I need a finger space. The home, another finger space. A finger space in between all the words, and then there's my period. Let's reread the sentence. I go into the home. I can go over to my checklist and check off. I have a capital, I did spaces, and I have a punctuation mark. Now it's your turn. You're going to grab what you're writing on, writing with, and your teacher's going to pause the video. You need to make sure when you rewrite this sentence, the bug is in its jar, that it has finger spaces, as I did not put any. All right, let's see if your sentence matches mine. I'm going to start with the capital in the word the, finger space, bug, finger space is, finger space in, finger space it's, finger space jar with a period. Your sentence match mine? Great job. Let's do our checklist. Started with a capital, I have finger spaces, and I have punctuation. Wow, you guys are becoming finger space pros. Seesaw, you will practice your sight words, you'll play listen, tap, and write, and you are going to be writing, reading, and rewriting the sentences, making sure you follow the checklist. Until next time, bye, Kipsters.